Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by securing the source and the right tool. Get the video file or URL and open the transcription app or service you'll use. Once done, check audio clarity and trim non-speech sections so the engine focuses on dialogue. Make sure file formats match the tool's accepted list and set language and accent options if available. This reduces errors early. Now upload or point the tool at the source and begin processing so the transcript can be generated. You initiate transcription by selecting automatic or human-assisted processing based on speed versus accuracy. Then configure timestamps, speaker detection, and punctuation rules so the output matches your needs. Once started, monitor progress and review logs for dropped segments. If audio issues arise, stop and apply noise reduction or re-upload a cleaned file. Make sure you save intermediate versions and export a draft transcript. This lets you catch systematic errors before finalizing and prevents lost work. You complete the task by editing the draft. Fix names, jargon, and timing markers so captions align. Then export in the format you need. SRT, VTT, or plain text, and import captions into your video player or CMS. If accuracy is still off, try one key troubleshooting step. Improve audio quality and rerun, or switch to a human editor for problem sections. That single correction usually resolves persistent errors and gives you a usable, final transcript.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.